You might have heard the term cloud gaming here and there, but what does it actually mean? Well, it is a type of online gaming that runs your game on the remote server where the game is installed and utilizes the server's components to stream the game directly to a device of your choice. It can be your TV, your personal computer, gaming console, and even your smartphone. Think of it as a video demand service like Netflix or Disney Plus, where you just log into your account and start streaming content of your choice. But instead of content, you will be playing games with just the convenience of your internet. As the entire process happens over the internet, that is why it is referred to as cloud gaming. Although the process might look pretty straightforward to you, it requires a hell of an infrastructure for the entire thing to work as intended. For starters, a data center or server farm with significantly higher bandwidth is a must for the gamers to be kept and streamed directly to the user's gaming platform. Talking about high bandwidth, the users are also required to have fast-paced data connections to maintain the latency. This is important because the action performed by them will journey back and forth from the server to the device to perform said in-game movements and actions. And that leaves us to the platform that the users will choose to game in. The concept and innovation of cloud gaming were gradually explored by a handful of tech giants to see how gamers react to them and the possibility of it. Let's go through them one by one as they have appeared throughout the decades as briefly as possible. The entirety of cloud gaming was first introduced by G-Cluster at the E3 event of the year 2000. They intended for the entire thing to work over Wi-Fi on handheld devices, browsers, and smart TVs. This chart from broadmedia.com wonderfully illustrates G-Cluster's vision of cloud gaming and how it was possible to game on various devices through cloud streaming platforms. In March of 2010, OnLive began their initiative on cloud gaming by releasing its OnLive macro console. It later got acquired by Sony only to be shut down and used as a resource for the PlayStation product family, also going by the name PlayStation Now. Among plenty of cloud gaming startups, Gaikai was one that focused on cloud gaming as a means for advertising by letting users play demos of certain games before actually purchasing them. Then again, it also got acquired by Sony in 2012, and at this point, it seemed like Sony was buying their way into the future of gaming. The Verge has a well put together article about this, and if you are interested, be sure to check it out. NVIDIA hopped into the scenario by introducing their cloud gaming platform Grid in the year 2013. It later got rebranded as GeForce Now and was offered as a part of Android TVs incorporating NVIDIA Shield. In 2017, however, they stretched their service to computer gamers by enabling them to import the entire Steam library and game on the cloud. Later that year, Blade launched a cloud gaming service known as Shadow, which happened to be a French-based startup and only made France's service available. Later on in 2019, they began to expand their service in the USA as well. At this point, latency was an issue, and Electronic Arts acquired assets of the cloud gaming platform Gamefly in 2018. They combined them with their AI, machine learning, and Frostbite engine and created a unified platform to stream high-quality blockbuster, HD multiplayer games, and other similar content at the lowest latency possible. The entire thing was labeled as Project Atlas and showed potential for cross-platform gaming too. Google stepped into the cloud gaming legacy by announcing their cloud gaming service, Stadia, at the Game Developers Conference of 2019. They have partnered up with Unreal Engine, who will be entirely supporting the Stadia system. Talking about cooperation, Project xCloud was also a joint effort between Google and Microsoft that leveraged the resources and technology of Microsoft Azure, which added significantly to the future of cloud gaming. Amazon has also introduced their own cloud gaming service, Luna, in September of 2020 that features a channel-themed subscription where games from Amazon itself and Ubisoft will be available for you to play. Though cloud gaming sounds awesome and futuristic, it sure does have some drawbacks of its own. First of all, the in-game details won't be as sharp and highly detailed as a high-end gaming PC due to the bandwidth limitation leading towards compressed video streaming. Then, we also have the factor of latency, as not all of us have a hyper-fast internet connection to stream and play games in real time. We mean it will pretty much suck to play competitive and mobile games with mouse and keyboard lag, where quick reaction is the key to win the match. And last but not least, there is also the factor of time limitations and queuing. Take GeForce Now, for example. They offer up to 6 hours of gameplay sessions for paid users and only 1 hour for non-paid ones. Everything aside, cloud gaming still shows true potential to make gaming more convenient and affordable, as you won't have to invest in expensive gaming rigs or wait for the next-gen console to be in stock to get them. All you need to have is an internet connection and a game-worthy device to get on gaming. There is a lot of development and tweaking to be done for cloud gaming to reach its truest potential. For now, all we can do is hope and be optimistic about the possibilities as tech giants keep revamping to make cloud gaming a perfection. And that wraps up our review on cloud gaming. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.